Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will be making an interesting, stable and delicious cream Shantiflex. For this recipe we will need sour cream, water, gelatin, whipping cream, cornstarch, powdered sugar, powdered milk and condensed milk.
First of all, soak 8 grams of gelatin in 50 grams of cold water and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Into a tall measuring glass, place 200 grams of good quality condensed milk. The condensed milk needs to be room temperature.
Add 100 grams of room temperature sour cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk and 80 grams of powdered sugar. Into a separate bowl combine 50 grams of cornstarch and 250 grams of room temperature water.
The cornstarch will clump up. However, we keep mixing steadily until the cornstarch combines with the water. Place this mass into the measuring glass. Mix everything with a hand blender until everything combines.
Next, we need to melt the gelatin that we put in the fridge. We melted it in the microwave. Add the melted gelatin to our mixture. Mix well and pour everything into a skillet. Mix well and pour everything into a skillet or a pot with a thick bottom and thick sides.
Put it on medium heat and without ever leaving it, mix the mass with a silicone spatula. About 2 to 2.5 minutes, the mass will start to clump up. Don't worry, always gather the cream from the bottom and the sides. Keep mixing. If you can't keep up with the gathering of the cream and it starts to change to a yellow color, then lessen the heat to lower than medium.
Cook until the cream turns into one big lump and it doesn't stick to the pan. Now place the mess into a mixing bowl. Add 90 grams of whipping cream of 33–35%. Mix the cream a little and if you see that the cream turned out thick, add more whipping cream, about 5 to 10 grams. But don't add too much because you can't make the cream thicker.
Don't mix for long. As soon as the cream and the whipping cream combine, stop and your cream is ready. It's best to work with Chantiflex when it is warm.
We wanted to show you that you can fill silicone molds with this cream. Put them into the freezer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then take them out of the freezer and the molds.
You can make unreal flowers out of this cream with thin petals. You can make things out of this cream early on and store them in an airtight container in the freezer for a few days. The things that you make will dry up on the surface but will be soft on the inside like pudding.
You can also make delicious edible lace on the base of Chantiflex, the concept of which will soon come to our channel. Don't miss it. We hope that you liked our video. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we will answer all of them. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.